Jessie here. I'm back with another video, and it's a grocery haul. At the end of my last grocery haul, I believe my exact words were, and now I won't have to shop for a couple of weeks, and yet here I am with another table full of groceries. I ran out of milk, and so I was going to just run to the store and get milk. And then on a whim, I went ahead and checked with my Walmart grocery app and saw that they actually had pickup spots available. So I took advantage of that and I placed a huge order, half expecting it to be canceled. Honestly, I know that the grocery stores in my area are struggling to meet the demand of people who are doing just what I'm doing, stocking up on stuff, picking up extra things. So I placed the order. I didn't really expect most of this stuff to be available, but I was surprised. There was only one item that was completely out of stock, which was a package of sub buns, and everything else they did substitutions for that wasn't in stock. I had 16 substitutions, which is far and away the most substitutions I have ever had, but given the circumstances, it's completely understandable. Some of the substitutions were really good. Some of them were a little weird, but I just took everything that they offered substitutions for. I did not make the poor kid who was loading my groceries into my car go through 16 different bags to try to find things I didn't necessarily want. I just took it all, will use it. It might not be exactly what I had in mind when I placed the order, but I'll make it work. I was not trying to make it any harder on these poor grocery store workers than I had to. So I just took everything and we'll go through it together. We'll laugh at some of the substitutions maybe. But for the most part, I was able to get everything I needed. So they had bread, which was lovely. You guys know in my last grocery haul, we struggled to find bread. Walmart had plenty, so that's good. My freezer is completely stocked now with bread. We've had plenty of meat and things. Someone requested that I do a whole pantry, freezer, fridge tour. And I do plan on doing that. I just have to get everything kind of organized and situated and make everything fit. Because everything, I'll be honest, right now is just kind of jammed in wherever it'll fit. We have a lot of food on hand. We've never had this much food on hand at a time. We always do a couple of big stock-ups throughout the year, but this is a little bit ridiculous, I'll admit. I'm not hoarding food. We definitely don't have, a humongous hoard, but I'm a week-to-week shopper typically. I go and I get exactly what I need and not a whole lot extra. So to have this much food on hand is not the norm, but given the circumstances that we are all in right now, I think it's understandable. So anyways, I've rambled long enough. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I ordered 2 packs of hot dog buns. I also ordered 2 loaves of white bread. They substituted the round top. I think the one that I had was sandwich bread, but it's all the same. So that was one of the substitutions that made total sense. So I got those. I ordered a loaf of rye bread as well, and they did not have that in stock. So they substituted the Sara Lee Artisano bread, which is not at all really the same thing. But like I said, I took all of the substitutions, whether they really made sense to me or not. The Thomas's English muffins were a substitution for the name brand, or the store brand, which is totally fine. I got some olive oil. We were all out of that. This is another one of those substitutions. I ordered seeded buns, and they gave me whole grain buns. Not a big deal. A couple more cans of coffee. We have already gone through 1.5 of our cans that we had bought when we did our huge stock up, so I got some more. We'd run out of Windex. I've been doing a ton of cleaning, as you can imagine, so I picked that up. These whole grain sandwich crackers, these were a substitution for just cheese on cheese crackers. Obviously those were out, so I got whole grain. Apparently people are not, super into buying whole grain stuff even when there's a food shortage. So there you go. Great big bottle of ranch dressing. That'll keep us going for a while. Some more of those Twist and Shout cookies. We love those. I got some country fried steak fritters. These make for a great, quick, and easy meal. You guys will notice a theme. A lot of this stuff that I bought was essentially for quick and easy meals. We do have everyplate that comes. I've been getting it pretty much every week just to supplement what we already have. So we have a lot of fresh ingredients that way. I'm just using the grocery store essentially to stock up on other things. I have 2 bags of these Parmesan herb encrusted chicken tenderloins. I ordered a package of chicken patties from Tyson and a package of spicy chicken patties. Both of those things were substituted for this Parmesan herb encrusted chicken. So hopefully it's good because we got 2 bags of it. I got some mozzarella cheese. This is just Kraft that was substituted for the store brand. No problem. And then I got some Colby and Monterey Jack shredded cheese. We got some more half and half. We've gone through quite a few of our bottles already, so we just stocked back up on that. I ordered a roll of breakfast sausage, and they gave me this applewood bacon instead, which, again, is not really the same thing, but it'll work. We'll use it. So there's that. I got some mandarins, whole bunch of Pop-Tarts. They substituted something else that I had chosen, a different flavor for these cookies and cream flavor. I'm sure the kids will like those just fine. Got the brown sugar cinnamon and the strawberry, so we're stocked back up on Pop-Tarts. Picked up some more of those party pizzas. Those are becoming invaluable for the kids for lunches, and even for quick and easy dinners. So I got 4 more of those. A whole bunch of eggs. We're going to do some of these, obviously, for breakfast and for baking. We're also going to do, I think, a whole dozen. We're going to hard boil and do a bunch of egg salad. That'll be awesome. So I ordered the big family size bag of these pork sausage patties. They said that they were out, and instead they were going to give me 2 of the smaller ones, which was fine, but apparently somebody made a mistake because I did get the family size one as well as an additional smaller one. So that was a bonus, I suppose. This was probably the weirdest of the substitutions. It makes sense, I guess, but I had ordered a box of steakums. Those are like the real thin steak pieces for steak sandwiches. They didn't have those, so they gave me a roast beef cheddar melt frozen sandwich instead. Again, I thought that was a little weird, but I'll take what I can get. I'm sure that I can have this for lunch or something. It'll be fine. I got some bell peppers. Apparently all of their frozen, or all of their produce is well in stock, the guy told me, so that's good. There's not a run on that, so I was able to get everything I needed that was fresh. We got some of this uncured ham, which I did order, and then they substituted. I got the Oscar Mayer natural turkey as well, and they were out of that, so they just gave me the Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh turkey breast, which was totally fine. So that was everything there. The only other thing I did was stock up on drinks again, so my husband's favorite unsweetened pure leaf tea. I got some Gatorade. I ordered the traditional Gatorade pack like this. They didn't have it, so they gave me the zero sugar, which is fine because I actually really enjoy the zero sugar Gatorade, and the kids like it too, so that's fine. I got some more of these little hug barrels. My kids love these. I grabbed one of these the other day to drink just because I needed to take my pills. I just needed something really quickly. I think they're disgusting, but they love them. And then lastly, I have 2 gallons of milk. So that's it for my grocery haul. Like I said, I wasn't intending to do a big haul this week, but we're just kind of flying by the seat of our pants with all of this craziness going on and doing the best we can, and I decided to place an order while I could take advantage of the pickup, because if I can avoid going into a store, then that's great. So I did that. No shame, please, in the comments. That's what I decided to do. I don't think that I'm going overboard with the food. I just want to make sure that, we have everything we need and a little extra, and this is all stuff we're going to go through eventually anyway, so I don't feel bad about it. But, alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe if you want to continue to see videos from me. I would love to have you here on my channel. Leave me a comment down below and tell me, do you think that I'm overdoing it with the grocery buying? Larger hauls every week these past couple of weeks? Or do you think that, I'm buying just enough? Just let me know your opinion, but just be respectful, please, because I know that I've seen some comments on some other people's grocery hauls that are not so nice, and I know that I have a great collection of subscribers here that are all super supportive and nice, but, you know, just to be on the safe side. Be kind, please. Anyways, I hope you guys are all taking good care and being safe and washing your hands, staying home when you can. My governor just put us all on a 3-week shelter-in-place order, so that's new this week. Things are changing day by day, I know. And that's part of the reason I keep shopping, I guess. It's one thing I can control. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.